Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now a lot of you guys have commented on my recent videos that you guys like my career talk videos more than the normal lifestyle videos that I make. So keeping that in mind, I've thought to start this new series which needs all your love and support, and I have named this series as IT Talk Moment, wherein we are going to talk about the job offers, the opportunities, the trends in IT and everything, because this is the need of the uncertainty that we are facing today. I feel this is the need of the hour. So let me know, how do you like this idea? So welcome to today's IT Talk Moment. I'm Jyoti and we are going to explore together the opportunities in uncertainties for you all, with you all. So let's get started. In every IT Talk session, towards the end of the video, we are going to discuss a showstopper. So make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on that. So starting with TCS, you guys were concerned because there was no news on your offer letters. So do not have to worry anymore, guys, because TCS has made this announcement on this Thursday that all the offers made by TCS will be honored, which is a very good news. So don't worry about that part. And also there were a lot of thoughts on layoffs. So TCS has made it clear that there will be no layoffs, which is again a good news. However, for this year they have decided not to give any salary hikes, which is a bad news for the employees. So now let's move on to the next update. While TCS announced there will be no increments, Capgemini has made this announcement that they are going to give single-digit increments to 70% of its staff, which is about 84,000 employees, and this is going to be effective of April 1, and the company will also pay increments to the rest of its staff in July, which I think is a great news for people in this uncertainty. The CEO of Capgemini, Ashwin Yadi, also said that in these difficult times, people will look up to us to see what actions we are taking in order to build trust, which I think is very true. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, Capgemini has told that they are going to give salaries to people who are on bench and do not even have billable projects. They are also giving shift allowances to people working from home. And moving towards the next update, that is government is going to waive off 4 months rent for IT units which were operating out of Software Technology Park. I think this is such a huge relief to IT and IT companies which were operating out of these Software Technology Parks of India, because this is going to benefit nearly 200 small and medium IT units. So let me know, what do you guys think about this step of the government? Now moving towards this showstopper of today's IT Talk Moment, that is, we all know that TCS had announced a 15-day digital certification program. A lot of you have already started it, and a lot of you had certain queries that you guys DM'd me about, that how this is going to help you guys. So let me tell you that this is a professional course that they are providing for free, wherein on 15th day they are also going to take assessment and they are going to provide a certificate to you all, which is going to be very useful, and you can actually add this to your resume. It is going to add a lot of value. This program consists of nano videos, case studies and assessments which will help you to understand and evaluate your strengths and weaknesses related to your soft skills and hard skills. This program can be accessed anywhere, anytime, on any device. The response of this course overall has been overwhelming, and also the second initiative that TCS Ion during this time of coronavirus pandemic they took is they started offering digital classroom, which is also a virtual learning platform. So they offered this to all the educational institutions across the world for free. So now you guys know that why I chose this topic to be the showstopper of today's IT Talk Moment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it. I think, according to me, hats off to TCS for taking this good step and making this free course for students and professionals to use and evaluate themselves during this lockdown period. So yes guys, this was it for today's IT Talk moment. If you found the video useful, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you want me to discuss about something specific in detail, let me know in the comment section, and comment section is open for you all to discuss anything and everything that you want to discuss about. So with this, I would like to end today's video here, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.